Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious pork tonkatsu, step by step. First, gather all your ingredients, including a boneless pork loin, all-purpose flour, 1 large egg, and panko breadcrumbs. Next, prepare your pork by pounding each cutlet to an even thickness of about 1/2 inch. This ensures consistent cooking and tenderness. Finally, season both sides of your pork generously with salt and freshly ground black pepper, preparing them for the next stage of breading. Now let's master the breading process for that signature crispy crust. Set up 3 shallow dishes, one with all-purpose flour, one with a beaten egg, and one with panko breadcrumbs. First, dredge each pork cutlet in the flour, tapping off any extra. Then dip it into the egg, ensuring it's fully coated. Lastly, press the cutlet firmly into the panko, making sure every part is covered for maximum crispness. This 3-step method is key. With your tonkatsu perfectly breaded, it's time to fry them to golden perfection. Heat about 2 inches of neutral oil in a deep pan to 340 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully place 1 or 2 cutlets into the hot oil, being careful not to overcrowd the pan. Fry each side for approximately 2 to 3 minutes until they achieve a beautiful golden brown color and are cooked through. Always ensure an internal temperature of 145 degrees Fahrenheit. After frying, transfer your crispy tonkatsu to a wire rack to drain any excess oil, which helps maintain its delightful crispness. Allow the cutlets to rest for a few minutes before slicing. This crucial step ensures the juices redistribute, keeping the pork tender and flavorful. Finally, slice your tonkatsu into 1-inch wide strips and serve immediately with classic tonkatsu sauce, a mound of shredded cabbage, and fluffy steamed rice for a complete and satisfying meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.